Norville.
Hello, everybody, and thank you for joining us. It is a stunning leak from the Supreme Court that prompts two huge questions. What's next for women's access to abortion, if indeed the High Court is poised to strike down Roe versus Wade? And who is behind the unprecedented leak of a draft of a court decision before it's released? And Stephen Fabian reports today one of the justices called what happened a betrayal.
Who did it? That's the question everyone is asking today. Who's behind the leak that's said to be the most serious breach of Supreme Court protocol in American history?
An astonishing leak, a breach of traditions of confidentiality and secrecy and trust.
Chief Justice Roberts today is calling the leak a betrayal, and he's ordered the marshal of the court to investigate. So, who's behind the leak?
This information is so closely held inside the Supreme Court that so few people would have access to it.
Suspicion today is falling on one of the Supreme Court clerks. There are 9 justices, each assigned 4 clerks. That means 36 prime suspects.
It had to be somebody who was in a position of confidence.
Radhika Rao served as a clerk for the late Justice Harry Blackmun.
I do remember being sworn to kind of confidentiality when I got to the court as a clerk and feeling very much valued by that.
It almost seems like the unthinkable here.
It really is.
Whoever did it, it means the end of their career.
You can kiss your legal career bye-bye. Done.
The leak was published late last night by Politico, and one of the reporters who broke the story isn't saying who gave him the draft.
We're very confident in the authenticity of this draft, both in the way that we obtained it and other information that we got that supports its authenticity.
There is speculation the leak is meant to pressure the conservative justices on the court to switch votes before final ruling is announced in late June or early July.
If it was a liberal that leaked the documents, that would mean that they're trying to undermine the Supreme Court intentionally. If it was a conservative on the court that released the documents, that would mean they're trying to force the hand of their counterparts to stay firm in their early opinion.
Pro and anti-abortion activists converged on the Supreme Court chanting late into the night, and they're back again today.
If Roe v. Wade is overturned, it will be up to individual states to decide whether or not abortions will be legal.